Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to qualify for a Lendingclub business line of credit. A business line of credit from Lendingclub can provide flexible access to working capital, helping you to cover short-term expenses, manage cash flows, or take advantage of growth opportunities. Unlike a traditional loan, you'll only pay interest on the funds that you actually use. But before applying, it's important to understand the qualification requirements. Lendingclub generally looks at three key factors: your business history, your revenue, and your personal creditworthiness. To qualify, your business typically needs to be at least 12 months old, though stronger business with longer histories may be favored. Consistent annual revenue is also important. Most approvals go to businesses earning at least $50,000 to $75,000 a year. In addition, your personal credit score plays a role, since small business financing often considers both the company's performance and the owner's financial profile. A fair to good credit score, usually above 600, will improve your chances of approval. To prepare, gather documents such as recent bank statements, business tax returns, and proof of incorporation. Lendingclub's application process is online and streamlined, with initial approvals often given within a few days. If approved, you're going to receive a set credit limit, and then you can draw from it as needed directly through your Lendingclub dashboard. Meeting these requirements and keeping your records in order will put you in the best position to qualify for Lendingclub's business line of credit and access flexible financing for your company. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.